Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today you are knowing power of communication has changed our world a lot. I have heard people telling that 3 apples have changed the world. First apple which Adam and Eve got. Second was the apple which fell down on Newton's head. Because of that, he was able to find out the law of gravitation. And the third is Apple devices. And because of that, you are knowing nowadays, sitting in our house, we can say whatever is going on in the corner of the world. Not only that, even if any cricket match is going, in olden days it was for us we had to personally go and watch it. Nowadays not necessary, sitting at home you can watch the match. In the same way, even business or education, any field, all these smart devices have made the thing smart. Not only that, these devices, they may build your brand today using all the social media tools at our disposal. You are knowing nowadays Kumbh Mela is going on at Prayag. And more than Kumbh Mela, who is popular? IIT Baba has become popular. You can see him talking, passing his own comments, and in other words, just yesterday he has changed his look, and it has become the talk of the town. In olden days, it was not so easy to become viral. No doubt, because of their work, they became, if you, for example, talk about Gandhiji, you are knowing he told my life is my message. It became viral. In the same way, nowadays, we are having communication at our hand, which will improve your communication. As a brand, you will become a brand. Now, what plans we have to do to become a brand? First thing is, if we look at Gandhiji, how he became a brand? Because he used to follow what he used to tell. So in the same way, we too should do what we are telling. Let what you think, say and do the other thing. Is it good? No. We should do the same thing what we are talking about. And when we are speaking, we have to listen to feedback and make people feel safe to express ideas, opinions, and their own views. Because it is each and everybody's right. Each and everyone is having his own right to speak about that. So let them speak about that. Be aware of how you build your own brand. How you have built your own brand. Be aware that silence also speaks. It is said that silence speaks louder than the words. Avoid conflict. If it cannot be avoided, diffuse it. So, it is better to avoid conflict. So, it is better to keep quiet many times, though there are communication things. Even then, it is not necessary that we should keep on fighting, arguing for each and everything. No, we can avoid it. And you are knowing, even in this world, it is not necessary that you will have each and every one whom you like. There can be so many people whom you may not like. Then tell me, is it necessary to pass any comment on them immediately? No, not at all necessary. Because what happens if we pass comments? It may hurt them. So we should see that we won't hurt them in any way. Communication means it is not the thing that you can speak anything to anyone to hurt anyone. No. Don't be under that impression. No doubt communication gives you right, and it has enhanced. I told you, because of the mobiles and all, it has become very, very popular and easy, and not only easy, very cheap way as well. But we have to be careful that we should not hurt anyone. Why we should not hurt anyone? Suppose if somebody hurts us, what happens? Whether we will be happy? Tell me. Whether we will be happy? No, never. That is why, though there is communication, you can bring and build your own brand. Even then, you should be smart enough to speak. While giving back, you should be smart enough that the other one should not be hurt. This we should take. Then how we should talk? We should talk in such a way as we expect other people talking to us. How you expect other people talking to you? In a rude way? To hurt you? No, never. Then we have to follow the same. We too follow the same rule, that while communicating to one another, we should not hurt one another. Because you are knowing, speaking is a gift given to us by God. Animals can't speak, you are knowing. That is the difference between us and the other animals. That is why we have become someone great. Then we should see that this gift given by God should not be misused. No, never, never misuse this gift. Because this gift of speaking is given only to human beings, not to any other animals. Even other animals can see, listen, taste, eat, everything, but they can't speak. This is the special gift given to us by God. So, we have to respect the special gift given to us by God, because if we don't respect that gift, it will be disrespect to God Himself. We should not disrespect God. So, communication, either personal, that is offline, or online, whatever, it should help to build up our relation, not to spoil it. So we should be very, very careful while speaking. That is why many times it is said that if speech is silver, silence is gold. You are knowing gold is always costlier than silver. So, Though communication is important, helpful, whatever it is, even then, silence has got its own value. So we should understand it. Have a nice day.